Hello everyone and welcome to Maths Makes Sense. Today we're going to talk about a nice multiplication method called the slide method. And this method is almost magical. Now, as an example, 321 multiplied by 12. In this method, I'm going to start by a bit counterintuitive. I'm just going to reverse the digit of one of the multipliers. Let's see, so 12 reverse would be 21. Reverse would be 21. And this number 21, acts like my slide. And I will move it across the multiplication one place value at a time. Let's frame it as a slide, a nice slide. There you go. How would I do this? I'll start with the slide as far to the left as possible, such as the ones place value of the slide will sit right under the other multiplier's largest place value. Here it goes. So I have 321. I'm just going to place my slide here. And as you can see, the ones place value sits right under the multiplier's largest place value. And now the next step, all I want to do is just multiply the columns and add them if I have more than one columns. So I have 3 times 1 equals 3. Now, I'm just gliding my slide to the right. So the next position of my slide would be right here. Okay. So this becomes 3 times 2 is 6. And 2 times 1 equals just 2. If I add them up, 8. Okay, my next position would be right here. So I'm almost at the end. Now 2 times 2 is just 4. 1 times 1 is 1. 4 add 1 is 5. And the last position, I carry on gliding my slide until I get to the end of my number, the other multiplier. So this would be just like right here. Okay, and 1 times 2 is just 2. Now, if after you multiply the columns and you add them up, if the sums are only one-digit numbers, this is your final answer. So believe it or not, your answer is 3,852. 321 times 12 would be just 3,852. Magic? No, it's just maths, because maths makes sense. On the next slide, I'm going to show you a bit of a more complicated example, but with the same method, same principle. Okay, let's have a look at another example, this time a bit more complicated. Let's reverse 54. So 54, if I reverse the digit, reverse would be 45. Now, this is my slide that I'm going to work with, and I'm going to glide it from left to right. Okay, now I will have 534, 54 right here at the end. I'll do 5 times 5, it's going to be just 25. It's 25. I move over with my slide. Next one, 45 is just going to be right here. This time I will have 5 times 4 is 20. 3 times 5 is 15. If I add them up, it's going to be 35. Okay, almost there. 534 and 45, right? It's right here. 3 times 4 is 12. And 4 times 5 is 20. If I add them up, 32. And finally, the last position would be 45 is just right here. As you can see, I'll only have 4 times 4, which is 16. Now, why did I say this is a bit more complicated? Because now the sum of the products is 2-digit numbers, not 1 digit, which is fine. We have to do one more step. So I've got this one, 25, 35, 32, 16. Now, just add them up from left to right, okay, until you get only 1 digit, and if it's 2 digits number left, that's it. What do I mean? 25 plus 3 will give me 28. What's left here? 5 plus 3 is just 8. What's left here? 2 plus 1 is just 3. And 6 is left. There you go. I only have 1-digit numbers, and the last one stays the same. That is my final answer. I could easily say 534 multiplied by 54 is 28,836. And magic? No, it's just maths makes sense. Thank you very much. This is Mr. Fall. See you on the next video.